Imagine this. It's 8 p.m., dinner's done, and your tiny apartment kitchen feels like a battlefield of greasy plates, sippy cups, and mismatched utensils. The sink's overflowing, your hands are pruning from endless scrubbing, and that old, clunky dishwasher from your last place? It won't fit through the door. Sound familiar? Enter this Airmsen Portable Countertop Dishwasher. A game-changing mini marvel that's about to transform your post-meal routine from chore to cheer. As someone who's juggled life in a 500-square-foot studio with a toddler's worth of sticky messes, I put this no-hookup needed wonder through a real-world gauntlet. Spoiler, it's not just a gadget, it's a sanity saver. Let's dive deep into why this 5L Tank Titan deserves a spot on your counter, and how it could slash your cleaning time by half while slashing water bills too. What hooked me first? The sheer audacity of its size. At just 16.75 inches wide, 16.86 inches deep, and 18.05 inches tall, the Airmsen Portable Countertop Dishwasher slips into spaces where full-size models fear to tread. Yet, don't let the mini label fool you. This bad boy crams in 40-plus items, from oversized 12-inch dinner plates, pro tip, angle them slightly for a snug fit, to baby bottles and fruit bowls. For a family of 3 or 4, it's a daily dream, handling everything from weeknight stir-fries to holiday cookie trays without breaking a sweat. I loaded it with a post-Thanksgiving pile, think turkey platters, wine glasses, and kid-sized chaos, and it devoured it all in one cycle. No more just one more load excuses. This portable dishwasher for apartments and RVs keeps the peace in small homes where every inch counts. Ready to geek out on the tech? The star feature is its plug-and-play freedom. A built-in 5-liter water tank means 0 installation headaches. Fill it from the tap or your Brita. Plug it in and boom, you're washing anywhere. Got a running faucet? The included hose hooks up in seconds for endless cycles. I tested both modes during a weekend camping trip in our RV. The tank kept us suds-free without scouting for hookups, while home faucet mode handled marathon family dinners. It's the ultimate countertop dishwasher, no hookup required, freeing you from landlord plumbing woes or renovation nightmares. Now, the cleaning prowess, where this mini dishwasher with 5 washing programs truly shines. Choose from normal for everyday grime, speed for quick rinses, under 30 minutes, glass for delicate stemware, baby care for sanitizing those germ magnet bottles at 167 degrees Fahrenheit, or fruit for fresh produce washes. Layer on 2 bonus modes. An extra 60-minute hot air dry or 72-hour ventilated storage to banish water spots and odors. Inside, 14 precision nozzles team up with dual 360 degrees spiral spray arms, blasting from every angle like a car wash for your cutlery. Stubborn spaghetti sauce? Obliterated. Burnt cheese on casserole dishes? Vanished. Even my husband's experiment of fused-on barbecue residue surrendered after one baby care run. High water pressure and temps ensure hygienic results, making it a must-have portable mini dishwasher for parents paranoid about kiddo tableware. Guilty. Usability? Chef's kiss. The angled LED touchscreen glows with intuitive buttons. Select, start, done. No fumbling with dials or apps. It's idiot-proof for tech-averse folks like me. Peeking progress is half the fun. The double-layered glass door, tempered for safety, frames the action like a live show, with built-in LED spotlighting stains as they melt away. Real-time satisfaction? Priceless. Maintenance is a breeze too. Pop out the tank for a quick rinse. Wipe the filters. They're accessible, not buried, and it's showroom ready. I've run 50-plus cycles, and it hums quietly without leaks or quirks. Eco-warriors, rejoice. This energy-saving countertop dishwasher sips just 5L per load, 80% less than hand-washing marathons, while ETL certification guarantees safe, efficient operation. No more wasting gallons on subpar scrubs. It's a green upgrade that pays off in lower utility spikes. Paired with the 1-year warranty and responsive customer support, they swapped a faulty hose overnight for me. It's built to last beyond trends. Key features that'll make you say, why didn't I get this sooner? Ultra-compact yet mighty capacity. 40-plus items in a footprint smaller than a microwave. Ideal for small kitchen dishwashers in apartments, RVs, or campers. Fits plates up to 12 inches, bowls, mugs, and silverware baskets without overflow drama. Hassle-free setup and flexibility. 5L tank for off-grid use or quick faucet connect. Perfect portable dishwasher, no installation for renters, travelers, or anyone dodging DIY disasters. Move it from counter to vanity in seconds. 5 plus 2 smart programs for every need. Tailored cycles, normal, speed, glass, baby care, fruit, plus drying/storage boosts ensure sparkling, sanitary results. High temp, high pressure cleaning eradicates 99% of stains, even on children's toys or pet bowls. Crystal clear visibility and controls. Transparent double-layer glass door with LED lights lets you monitor the magic. Touchscreen interface is senior-friendly and spill-proof. Easy mini dishwasher operation for all ages. Sustainable powerhouse. 80% water savings, low energy draw, and durable build make it an eco-friendly countertop dishwasher for home, cutting costs and carbon footprints without compromise. Top benefits. Why this changes everything. Reclaim your evenings. Skip 45-minute hand washes. Get restaurant-ready dishes in 30 to 60 minutes, freeing hours for Netflix, playtime, or that novel you've ignored. For busy parents or couples, it's pure time freedom, healthier home, happier family. 167 degrees Fahrenheit sanitization zaps bacteria better than sponges, ensuring safe eats for kids and immunocompromised loved ones. No more did I rinse that enough? Worries, peace of mind in every load. Budget and space wins. Save on water bills. I drop $10 per month and reclaim counter real estate for coffee makers or air fryers. Versatile for urban apartments or nomadic RV life. It's a smart investment under $300 that outshines pricier rivals. The ideal user? Picture the harried millennial in a micro apartment, juggling WFH and takeout Tuesdays. The retiree downsizing to a cozy condo, or the van life couple chasing sunsets without dishpan hands. If your space is tight, your schedule tighter, and easy clean is your love language, this portable countertop dishwasher for small spaces is your match. Point. One minor nitpick. The rack spacing favors standard plates over super deep pots, used for those in the sink, and filling the tank mid-cycle isn't seamless. But at this price, it's forgivable, especially versus lugging restaurant-grade alternatives. Bottom line, the Airmsen isn't just a dishwasher. It's a lifestyle upgrade for anyone tired of kitchen clutter. Sparkling dishes, zero stress, massive savings. Sign me up for life. Ready to ditch the dread? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and snag yours before they're gone. Your future self with dry hands and a full evening. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.